Hello friends, thanks for joining me for the Stuffed Stocking Swap. This swap is hosted by Martha Makes Art, Scrapbooks and Memories, and Paper Confessions with Karamia. There are 15 other channels participating this year. Be sure to hop around to each channel and see what crafty goodies everyone came up with for this swap. Participating this year are Virginia Martin, Kawaii Memo Love, Your Crafty BFF, Craftroom Stories, Crafty Endeavors, I Love Glitter and Glue, Crafting with Kathi Lee, Paper Play with Jodie, Creating with Jovi, that's me, and Petey Pie Designs, Designed with Purpose by Lisa, Crafting Whimsy, Kim's Inspired Life, Crafty Mama, and Lbcards. My swap partner is Virginia Martin, author. What we had to do was get or make a Christmas stocking and decorate it in some way. We needed to fill the stocking with at least 5 items that were handmade or store-bought. In addition to that, we needed to add 1 ornament and 1 sweet treat for a total of 7 items.
All right, friends, I got the fringe around the edges, and now I'm going to decide which angel I want to go in the center. So we have this one who's sitting on a star, and we have this one who is sitting on a cloud, and we have this one who's sitting on the moon, and this is so cute. I think I love this one the most for some reason. So there's a hanger here. I'm gonna cut the hanger off because it's actually an ornament. There we go. And I'm just going to use some hot glue to attach that right here to the center.
While I'm adhering this on here, I want to be sure to thank Martha and Jennifer and Cara for inviting me to be part of this collaboration.
I think that looks so very cute. All right, my friends, we have our stocking. Now we're going to start stuffing it. So one of the things to stuff it with was chocolate. And I have a box of Belgian chocolates here. So we're going to go ahead and pop that in the stocking. Try to get it down there as far as I can. We are also supposed to put an ornament in, and I made this ornament last year actually. And by the time I shared it, it was too late for me to gift it, so I thought I'd gift it this year. It's got an antique look, but it is actually made out of paper. And I'm going to turn it sideways so that you can see all the layers of the pop dots on there. So I'm going to gift that to her. That I might go ahead and put into a box before I send it because it might get messed up. I have this little envelope here. I put one of my handmade clusters on it, and I just popped in it a small tag, some die cuts, and a few pieces of paper. The die cuts are here. There's 3 of them. They're in the shape of flowers, but they are Christmas colors. I used the same palette throughout this gift giving, a lot of red and gold, of course some green mixed in there, but definitely the red and gold to sort of coordinate with the stocking. So we have that, and I made a little mini file folder, and I just attached this die cut here. This was actually a tag, and I just put some pieces of paper inside that she can craft with if she'd like to, or make ATCs or whatever she would like to do. Then I made this tag, very easy. This right here, the Christmas tree, was actually a tag, and then just added the little gems to it and some ribbon, as you can see. So you guys remember the dresses. I shared a video about these. This one I didn't show on the video because I literally just finished it a few minutes ago. So this is one of the newer ones, but it's got the plaid shirt, and then I added the flat backs to it, and then this little holly wreath, and then I used some of the gold for a belt. I'm also adding this tag as well, and this I'm going to show you. I'll do a very short craft along with you guys, and I'll make these 2 tags with you.
I used my Cricut to cut out the tag shapes. As you can see on this one, I went around with some ink just to give it a little bit of interest. And I have this really pretty angel, and this was given to me in a Happy Mail. And so I've decided to use the angel on the tag. Now the shape of the angel is a little bit wider than the tag is, but I don't mind that at all. I think it's very interesting to have the angel's horn go off of the tag a little bit. Also given to me in Happy Mail was this brown die cut that I just glued on there. And then over top of that, I am gluing a red ribbon. So far, so good, very easy and very fast to make this tag. The last thing that I am doing is adding some gold eyelash trim, and then I'm going to add another bow. And here is our finished tag. Now this tag could be used in a junk journal, but it could also be used as a gift tag. Coming up, we have another super simple tag. This Christmas tree shape was originally a tag itself, but I'm going to go ahead and use it to embellish my tag. So as you can see, I simply glued the tree on there, and now I am adding some flat back gems. I'm going to use gold, red, and green. Lastly, I'm going to add some green satin ribbon, and you'll notice that I'm using 2 strands of it. And I do that because the satin ribbon, it's kind of slick and it can come untied, but if you use more than 1 strand, it seems to hold a little bit better. I wanted to let you know that I did add some extra items into Virginia's stocking. Please be sure to check out her channel and her unboxing, or her reveal I should say, so that you can see everything else that I sent. Please hop by everybody else's channels and see what they stuffed in their stockings and what their recipients received. Thanks for watching. See you soon.